once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, just finished, we're doing chicken chow mein. Homemade, absolutely wonderful. Got some lovely vegetables in there, breast chicken, beautiful noodles, super easy. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. So, noodles, you can use any type of noodle you want. So I've prepared mine. I'm using a Canton yellow Chinese noodle. Up to you which ones, you can get a nice thin Singapore type vermicelli if you wanted. So chicken breast, no skin or no bone. Everything's cut nice and thin. Some bell peppers, add a nice bit of colour there. Onions. I'm using a bit of cauliflower today. You could be using some broccoli if you wanted. Carrots, again, lovely and thin. Garlic. If you wanted, you could put some ginger in, but I'm just going with garlic today. And then equal parts here of soy sauce and oyster sauce. Really simple. Let's go and do it. Okay, so we're going to need a wok or a frying pan of some sort. And in there I've got a touch of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. Now what I might do is I might add a little bit of sesame seed oil later. Give it a nice kind of nutty flavour. Now everything needs to be on a high heat, so you need to get this as hot as you can. We're going to start off by dropping in our garlic. And that's going to really infuse that oil, give it a lovely flavour. I'm then going to go onions. And I'm going to pop in my carrots now. Kind of depending on what vegetables you're using. You want to kind of get the hardest vegetables in first. I'm going to go for a little bit of black pepper. And maximum heat all the way. I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes or so. Now I'm quite happy if I get a little bit of blackening on my garlic, even in fact on everything really. It kind of gives it a lovely Chinese restaurant taste if you kind of get a little bit of burnt vegetables on there. Anyway, I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, just a couple of minutes there. Let's get in our chicken now. This is chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Cut nice and thin again. So high heat or your maximum heat. Let's stir this around for about 3 to 4 minutes. Really wonderful. Okay, this stage I'm going to go in with my cauliflower. Optional, like I say. I mean, you could be using a broccoli here, zucchini, anything you wanted actually. Okay, I'm going to throw this around. Another 2 to 3 minutes, high heat, stirring all the time. So I'm going to have a really nice crunch still on my cauliflower, which is kind of how I like that. And the last vegetable, let's go in now with our bell peppers. Got some lovely colours there. 2 minutes, stirring all the time. Wonderful. Now if you wanted, you could be adding some water in here, just like a little bit of water, kind of steam it out a little bit. I kind of like this kind of dry version. Plus we are going to be adding now some soy and some oyster sauce. Now we're not going to be adding any salt to this because what we've just added, both of them, the soy and the oyster sauce, are very salty. Okay, beautiful. Now we're going to go in with our noodles, our cooked noodles. And again on a high heat. And I find it better if you use 2 spoons for this. We're going to be tossing this over and over for about 3 to 4 minutes, keeping it moving all the time. And that's looking wonderful now. So the heat's off. Just as a last touch, I'm going to go in with some spring onions or green onions, whatever you may call them, scallions. And then, like I said, a little bit of nice toasted sesame oil. The reason I put that on at the end is if you cook with it, it kind of burns off the flavour and you're kind of just wasting it really. So that is looking pretty good. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.